Have you ever wondered what would happen if you drank turmeric water every single morning for just 7 days? I did it, and what I experienced was honestly shocking. From brighter skin to better digestion, and even more energy. But here's the real question. Can a simple yellow spice really transform your health in just 1 week? Let's find out together. It's day 1, and I'm starting my morning with a warm glass of turmeric water, just half a teaspoon of turmeric in 1 cup of warm water. At first, the taste was a little strange. Earthy, slightly bitter. But drinkable. What surprised me was how quickly it woke up my system. It felt like a gentle internal cleanse, almost like my body said, "Okay, time to start the day." No big changes yet, but I'm excited to see what happens. Day 2. Woke up feeling a little less bloated than usual. Could it be the turmeric already working on my digestion? And something else, my skin looked slightly less oily this morning. Maybe it's just in my head, or maybe it's the anti-inflammatory power of turmeric starting to kick in. Either way, I'm sticking with it. Day 3, and I feel lighter. My digestion feels smoother, and I'm noticing fewer cravings during the day. But the biggest difference? My skin is starting to calm down. Less redness, fewer breakouts, and a softer glow I haven't seen in a while. Turmeric is rich in antioxidants, and now I'm starting to believe it. Day 4, and this is the first morning I felt a real boost of energy. No coffee, no sluggishness, just clarity. Turmeric is known to support liver detox and reduce internal inflammation. Could that be why I'm feeling so refreshed? Even my skin tone is evening out a little. I'm starting to glow, and I love it. Day 5, and I almost forgot I used to have tiny pimples near my chin. They're drying up, fast. And I'm sleeping better. I didn't expect that. But turmeric has calming properties, and when your gut is happy, your sleep improves too. My water routine now feels like self-care, not just a health hack. On day 6, I realized this wasn't just about skin or digestion. My mood was better. I felt calmer, more focused, and less irritated by little things. I also noticed that I wasn't reaching for sugary snacks like before. Turmeric helps balance blood sugar, which might explain it. Who knew this little yellow drink could do so much? Day 7, 1 full week of turmeric water. And wow, my skin is smoother, my energy is up, and I feel cleaner from the inside out. This tiny daily ritual created real changes in just 7 days. And the best part? It's natural, cheap, and so simple. But don't take my word for it, try it yourself. A quick note, though, turmeric isn't for everyone. If you're on blood thinners, have gallbladder issues, or are pregnant, consult your doctor first. Also, don't overdo it. 1/2 teaspoon per day is more than enough for most people. So, would I keep drinking turmeric water? Absolutely. It's now a part of my morning routine, and my skin and body are thanking me for it. If you're ready to try this simple 7-day glow challenge, hit that like button, subscribe to Healthy Living Secret, and let me know in the comments if you've ever tried turmeric water before. Your body will feel the difference, and your skin will show it. See you in the next video.